Hi guys, it's X. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing a review and tutorial of the Cremated Palette. I know this came out a while ago and I was really excited when it first came out and I didn't purchase it, but I just got it in one of my mystery boxes, so I am excited to try it out. Here's what it looks like. It is very gorgeous. I honestly do not have like an expectation of it not working out for me, just because I already know Jeffree Star Cosmetics and I'm always so impressed by his eyeshadows because they're so buttery and they're just so easy to work with. So I don't think that this is going to shy away from that. I feel like I'm gonna do a neutral look with this. So anyway, if you guys want to see that, just keep on watching. But before you swipe me away or click me on this video, don't forget to like, comment, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you. Okay, so first I'm gonna go in with Casket Ready. I'm gonna dab, 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 coat that brush, and I'm going to put it on my brow bone. Totally forgot that there is a mirror here. I always forget and want to look in the viewfinder. There we go. So like I said, I'm just going to put that on my brow bone. It's a very pretty shade. Going to coat that again and do the other side. Let me know if you guys like this voiceover filming instead, because it makes it a lot more easier and faster to film this tutorial. Okay, almost done. Just want to really coat that under the brow. Next, I'm going to get this fluffy brush and go in with Afterlife and put that all over my lid on both sides. I was not expecting, I don't know what I was thinking, like that it was, I thought it was matte and it's a shimmer, duh, but I thought it was very pretty anyway. I think I'm going to use this for under my brow bone next time instead. But now that that is all over and we're even, blow a little of the fallout off, and I'm going to get a different brush and go in with Obituary. Coated very well on a blending brush, and I'm going to go in my crease all over, back and forth, side to side, all around, just to deepen up that eye socket. Here we go again. Other side, make sure it's even. Blend, 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 blend. Very pretty. I really like it. Very soft. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with Eulogy. Same blending brush. I'm gonna coat that, but this time I'm only gonna go in the outer corner of my crease and blend that in. I totally forgot to put tape again. I think it makes it harder when you do your full face first to put the tape, because then you rip off all your foundation. And just gonna dab again and go in on the other side. I love these shades. They're so easy to blend. It's one of the reasons why his are my favorite. So just going in on the other side, trying to make that even. And I guess I decided to go in all the way and not just in the outer corner. So just deepening up that eye socket there. There you go. Now I'm gonna get a different brush, and I'm gonna go in with Gravedigger. I'm gonna dab the excess off and go on my waterline. My under eye always like makes or break the look because my eyes are super sensitive, so it makes me start tearing, but thankfully this time it did not. And we're gonna go all the way, except not in the tear duct. Moving closer for you to see. This is not something I always do. This is just something I barely started doing because I never liked the way it looked on me. And I barely have lashes on the bottom to begin with. So I'm just gonna go in and do the other side as well. And I feel like the first side looked way better than this side. So I'm gonna dab in some more and then just finish that off. I feel like that's the hardest part about trying to do your makeup, is making them even. And I swear to God, my eyes are like two different shapes, but I feel like maybe everybody might think that. See, I knew it. I rolled my eyes because I knew it didn't look the same on the other side. So just filling in a little bit there and making sure it connects. Next, I'm gonna go in with Embalmed. And this is just a pretty, I don't know how to explain this color. It's like a light gray, but kind of a bluish hue with a little bit of shimmer. Just gonna coat that and go in the inner corner of each eye. I was trying to use as many colors as possible. I don't feel like in the end it looks like there was that much of a difference or so many colors used, but it does look really pretty when you put it on. Just making sure it's visible. Okay, next I'm gonna grab this fluffy brush, and I realized that this was not gonna work because of the glitter in it, so I dusted it off and I'm gonna go into Hearse next. And this always makes or breaks my look. I swear to God, every time I add the black, it like ruins it. I'm just not really good and skilled at using the black. I don't know why. It's the one shade I can never blend correctly. So I'm gonna, I don't know what I was trying to do here. Like, I know I wanted to make a cat wing, but not with this. I just wanted to smoke it out a little bit. So I'm going to go in with the other side. And shockingly, I was not too far off on making it even. Surprisingly, I didn't go wipe everything off and start all over like I usually do when I use black. Okay, so there I am, showing you each side. Shocking. Now I'm going to go in with the blending brush, and I think I am going back in with Gravedigger, and I'm just going to kind of blend the black with the Gravedigger and deepen up my crease, as you like to call it. I like to call it eye socket. So just blending that in, kind of getting rid of those harsh lines from the black that I made. I always wanted smoky eyes like Avril Lavigne, but could never get it right. I think this is as close to as I got to it, even though that wasn't my goal. And I'm just gonna dust off the excess. And then I decided to go in with the Jeffree Star powder. This is a natural. I just got this in the mystery box just to kind of dust that excess fallout off from my eyes, because there was quite a bit from the black shade. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with Mausoleum. Wait, did I go in with Mausoleum? Looks like I'm dipping into Afterlife again. Don't remember going into both. Sorry, I'm filming this on 2 different days. Dipping it in again, doing the other eye. So pretty. I was gonna use my finger, but I didn't want to get it dirty. My God, if you guys hear that, I apologize. My dogs are in the background. I'm actually shocked at how this came out. Like, I feel like my face looked like it was a little disappointed, but I actually did like it. So now I'm just going to go in with, oh, I think this is also Gold Digger eyeliner. I really like this. It is so creamy and easy to use. I've tried numerous different liners to use on my waterline, and they never work for me, and this one works really well. I was getting tired of looking at my lips with concealer and like foundation on it, so I decided to just put this on. I don't remember the name of it. It's a really pretty gloss from Jeffree Star Cosmetics as well. And now I'm going to go with the F-Proof mascara and the Kat Von D liner. So I did the liner. Now I'm going to do the mascara. Okay, so this is the finished look, and to be honest, I really like it. Like, I always loved his eyeshadows, so I didn't think that, like I said, it was gonna stray away from anything. But I really enjoy this palette. Will I use this every single day? Probably not. Like my Orgy palette, I do like it. I do wish there were more of like a little bit more browns, but that's what the Orgy palette's for. But yeah, anyway, what do you guys think? Have you guys used this? Have you bought it? What is your favorite Jeffree Star palette? I love the packaging on this. I love how the insert, I threw it away, but like how it covered his face. So yeah, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching and catch you on the next one. Bye!